Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be going over part 3 of our Dollar General penny list visuals for this week. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded the new Dollar General clearance markdown and penny list video where we go over all of the big details, and this is going to be an epic week for clearance shopping and penny shopping, so make sure that y'all go and check out that video if you haven't already. Also, like I said, this is part 3 of our Dollar General penny list visuals for this week, so all these items will penny out starting on Tuesday, May the 23rd. So if you've missed out on part 1 where we go over all of the apparel and accessory items, or part 2 where we go over all the back to school items, make sure that you go and check out both of those videos. All of those will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now in this video, we are going to be going over 2 more categories that will be a penny starting on Tuesday. So in this one, we're going to cover the fall and winter hardware categories. Now, if you are new to penny shopping at Dollar General, please keep in mind that we do not ask employees about penny items. That is the #1 rule to penny shopping. So all you have to do is go out to your local Dollar General, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video. If you find one, make sure that you scan it with your Dollar General app. And make sure that you have your correct store location set. If that item scans and the price shows as 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. Now, I don't mention this in every video, but I have linked the Dollar General penny list policy as well as a couple of articles that might be helpful for you if you are new to penny shopping. So those are in the description box of this video. All right, now let's go ahead and jump right in. We're going to start off with our fall and winter hardware category. I know it's a little bit confusing, but we have a fall and winter hardware category, and then we have a separate winter hardware category. And it really doesn't matter at this point because both categories are going to be a penny starting on Tuesday, May the 23rd. So first up, for this category, we need to talk about the novelty gift sets. I've mentioned this a few times in previous penny list and clearance list videos. So we have all of these novelty gifts included in this category, but I want you guys to be aware because at some Dollar General stores, they have put out a new display of these items and they are scanning at full price. So there are 2 different UPC codes for each of these items. Again, I cannot stress this enough with this category. Make sure that y'all scan before you go up to the register. Because as you all can see on your screen here, I have found 2 different chicken games. One is a Premier Find Slingin' Chicken game. The other one says Chicken Game Art Skills. The ones that say Art Skills are the ones that we are on the hunt for starting on Tuesday. Now we also have a few items in this category that well, I guess that you would typically think of as hardware items. So we do have some zip ties, we have indoor and outdoor timers, we also have some extension cords, some cord keepers. Now keep in mind that these items have been out in the Dollar General stores for quite some time. They usually put these out a month or 2 before the winter weather starts kicking in. So again, look high, look low, look everywhere you go because you just never know where you're going to spot these items. All right, now we're going to take a quick look at all of our winter hardware items that will also be going down to just 1 penny starting on Tuesday, May the 23rd. So we have all of these hot hand items. We've got hand warmers, toe warmers. We even have some hot hand insoles. Who even knew that they made those? That's totally new to me. But anyways, there are several different ones to be on the lookout for. Look up near the registers where they keep all the candies and things like that. Now, also included in this category, we have several different types of the ice melt. So make sure that y'all check on the end caps because these are larger items. That is where I have been finding them anyways. We also have some of these window kits. They're little installation kits, so pretty cool there. We also have the sheet plastic, the big plastic sheets that you guys can cover your windows with in the winter time. We also have the de-icer and the windshield ice scrapers. Alright guys, so there you have it for part 3 of our penny list visuals for this week at DG. Keep in mind that all these items will penny out starting on Tuesday, May the 23rd. Now, if you've missed out on watching part 1 or part 2, where I go over all of the apparel and accessory items, as well as both of our back to school categories, make sure that y'all go and check out those videos. They're going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below, as well as our new clearance markdown and penny list video. So make sure y'all go and check out all of those videos because we have a lot going on this week at Dollar General and you don't want to miss out on any awesome deals. Speaking of, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and do your girl a huge favor. I put a lot of time and effort into making these videos and sharing them with you all. So please, if you could, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And I will see you on the next one.